Hi crafty friends! Today we're creating fun, spooky vibes with our Halloween pumpkin and skull framed wall art DIY kit. Your kit comes with a wood backing and frame, wooden laser cut pumpkin and skull pieces, paints, paintbrushes, and Mod Podge. Paint your wooden cutouts your way. We encourage crafters to select colors that fit their style. Go classic with orange and white, or go bold with metallics or neons. The choice is yours. Allow your cutouts to dry for 10 to 20 minutes. Brush an even layer of Mod Podge onto your wood backing. Use your example sheet provided to help you arrange your cutouts or change it up. Press your painted pieces onto the backing firmly. If needed, add a thin layer of glue onto the back of your cutouts for a better hold. Finish your project with one last thin coat of Mod Podge to seal and protect your Halloween design. And that's it. Your spooky wall art is complete. Thanks for crafting with us. Share your creation and tag us at Crazy Craft Creations. We love to see what our fellow crafters create. If you love this DIY, you can find more like this one on our website at www.crazycraftcreations.com. Happy crafting!